Book 6, Get a Financial Life, Personal Finance in Your 20s and 30s. You probably think, but isn't this book kind of old? Sure, it was first published in 1996, but it's still as relevant as ever. It's been a lifesaver for countless young people during tough economic times like the 2001, 2008, and 2009 recessions. So you can trust that the advice in this New York Times bestseller stands the test of time. Whether starting in your 20s or navigating through your 30s, Kobliner dives into everything you need to know about setting financial goals, budgeting, saving, investing, taxes, buying a home, insurance, and other crucial financial issues. Here's the best part. Kobliner breaks down all those intimidating financial concepts into easy-to-understand language. So even if you're a total newbie to the world of finance, you'll feel right at home with this book. So if you're looking for a solid introduction to personal finance that's simple, accessible, and packed with practical tips, get this book right now. Book 8, Quit Like a Millionaire by Christy Shen and Bryce Lung. If you dream of retiring early and living on your terms while still young, this book spills all the secrets to making that dream a reality. In this eye-opening read, Christy Shen and Bryce Lung challenge the traditional notion of retirement and show you how to achieve financial independence at a young age. They offer fresh insights into living a nomadic lifestyle and redefining the purpose of money, even if you choose to use it in unconventional ways. So, if you're craving inspiration and practical advice on how to break free from the standard retirement path, add this to your reading list ASAP. Book 7, How to Money by Katherine Tuggle and Jean Chatzky. Written by experts in the field, this book delivers practical advice on various personal finance topics. From budgeting and saving to investing and managing debt, it covers all the essentials you need to know to take control of your financial future. What sets How to Money apart is its organized approach. It's split into 5 easy-to-follow sections: earn it, manage it, use it, get schooled, and look to the future. This structure makes it simple to navigate through the wealth of information and apply it to your financial situation. Moreover, the authors present everything in a way that's easy to understand, with real-life examples that resonate with young adults like us. So even if you're not a finance whiz, you'll feel empowered to make informed decisions about your money after reading this book. So this is a must-read to build a solid financial future and avoid the common pitfalls that trip up so many young people. Trust me, it's an investment in yourself that'll pay off big time. 9, How to Adult, Personal Finance for the Real World by Jake Cousineau. This book is an essential resource for high school graduates, college students, and other young adults just diving into the world of adulthood. It covers everything you need to know about managing your money in the real world, from the basics like budgeting and saving to more advanced topics like investing, retirement accounts, taxes, and insurance. This book breaks down complex financial concepts into an easy-to-understand language, equipping young adults with the fundamental skills they need to navigate the financial challenges of adulthood. Fair warning, How to Adult may be longer and more detailed than other books, so it might not be the easiest read for everyone, especially if you're not big on reading, but trust me, it's worth it. Think of it as a valuable resource you can keep referring to as you journey through adulthood. Book 10, Pay Less for College by Elizabeth Walter and Deborah Throw. For most young adults, the thought of affording college without accumulating a lifetime of debt can be so overwhelming. But before you panic, breathe and check out Pay Less for College by Elizabeth Walter and Deborah Throw. Having this book is like having your personal finance coach. It's packed with practical advice on how to afford college without drowning in debt. The authors understand how confusing college financial aid info can be, so they've created this guide to help you plan your finances smartly and make informed decisions about funding your education. Unlike those generic finance books that cover general stuff, this one focuses specifically on college costs. Whether you're already in college, about to start, or helping a family member through the process, this book has the tips to save money, find scholarships and grants, and make the most of financial aid opportunities. So if you're serious about taking charge of your college finances and avoiding unnecessary debt, Pay Less for College is a must-read. The bottom line is that reading is a great way to absorb new ideas and perspectives. If any of the books mentioned in this video pique your interest, you could borrow a copy from your local library, or if you prefer to own one, you can easily order it online.